my god, I really need Allie to go to a summer camp or something. I cannot with her in the house anymore. Hold on a minute.
Hey, Allie! Did you wear sunblock?
Yeah, what were we saying? Of course I'll go to the block party. You said free beers and hot dogs and books. Let's go, girl.
I like how you know?
2 waters, 1 room temperature.
1 room temperature? You got it.
Hey, where'd everyone go?
They're all playing cornhole.
Oh, do you want a cider?
A cider? Ew, no, I'll take a beer.
Wait, so are we doing the art festival or the music festival? I'm confused. Yo, why is your house freezing? Freezing? It's like at 63. That's ideal summer temperature. Ideal summer temperature is 68 or 70. 70 is where it's at. And I've already been to like 8 barbecues. I don't think this is helping my summer body goals. Hi, we'll do the summer breeze cocktail, the summer bourbon cocktail, and yeah, 3 waters, extra ice. Oh, and also a slushie for my kid. I don't understand how anyone can eat a fruit salad without Cool Whip on it. It's just gross. When does the Memorial Day sale start again? We're going to the beach this Saturday. I'm so excited. Oh, shut up! We're like doing this picnic at Fairmont Park this Saturday. Are we not trying to catch a game? Like, what's up? The skaters are out again. What are you doing for the 4th of July? Don't tell me you're going to your parents again.